How to add a slide-in panel in Hostinger. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to add a slide-in panel which is going to pop up on the top or on the bottom of your website to the clients. So you're going to promote, for example, a discount or something into that specific pop-up or the slide-in. So the process is going to be very easy and very simple. You're going basically here to head over hostinger.com and then you are going to sign in for your account. Once you have did that, you're going to click on websites list, and then you're going to select the website that you have. Now, as you can see, we have some of the websites. We have WordPress websites and the Hostinger website builder logo. Basically, or obviously, we're going to choose that, the Hostinger website logo. We are going to click on edit website, and from here we are going to see the website of our Hostinger website loading up. Now what are we going to do is to wait for the website. Then we are going to have here some third-party application or widget creator app that we are going to get the help of. So we're going to head over elfsite.com. So we are going to type in elfsite.com like that, and then you're going to see this specific panel. Now you are going to need to create a account within this specific website, and then you are going to create a widget. And the end of this process is going to have a code that we are going to include into our website. Now we are going to head over widgets. So basically we are going to have pop-ups. It is going to be on the e-commerce side. Click on pop-ups. Now we are going to create a pop-up for free. I basically have created a pop-up. I'm going to let you see it. We are going to edit it together. Now we are going to click on layout first, and then we are going to choose the model of the pop-up. Now it is going to be crucial to set up the slide in. How we can set up the slide in? You can go ahead and see that we have this slide in from the left, slide in from the right, or you can go ahead and put the slide in left, slide in right, top bar, bottom bar, and etc. So the slide in is going to be the option in here. It is not going to be only concerned by the pop-ups. So let's say, and we are going to add this one. So you can go ahead and customize the width and also the customization of this specific spacing, padding, and etc. Now I'm going to let up this specific, as you can see, slide in to the left, or you can go ahead and put it at the bottom or the left, but we're going to use slide ins. So like that or like these. This is a minimized slide in. Then we're going to head over the builder. You can go ahead and customize the background, for example, to another color like that. And we have some text. You can see here that we have some blocks, headings, separators, and we are going to have text spacing, also a button, which is going to be fully customizable. It is going to be called the call to action. When you finish, you are going to see the settings. Here you have the frequency, the pages, devices, and etc. Now, after you have set up this, I'm going to click on publish. Now we're going to click on close and click on install. Basically, we're going to copy this code in here, head over our website, click on the three dots, click on integrations, then you are going to click on custom code. We're not going to add it as a specific code that you have an embedded code, but it is going to be a custom code that is going to be appearing right away. So we are going to have this option, so we are not going to be limited. So I'm going to close this panel, and then we're going to preview the website or view the live version of that website. So we are going to click on view site. We're going to give it a little bit of time to load up, and also it is not going to be shown up right away, but it is going to actualize itself. Here it is. As you can see, it is going to be a slide in, not a pop-up, but a slide in. So we're going to give it a little bit of time. It is going to be, as you can see, for the parameters of the website, and then you're going to have it again and again showing up here and there. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.